Hi everyone, I'm Cody W3AMG with BridgeCom Systems, and today I'm going to show you how to enable and disable the volume bar that appears when you turn the volume up and down on your radio. So first off, go ahead and plug in the USB cable, plug that into your computer, and the other side into your radio. After that, make sure your radio is turned on, and we are going to open up the software. So when you have the correct CPS open for your radio, go ahead and read from your radio. Just go up here to the top, read from radio. In this case, we've already done that. So after that, we're going to go to optional settings. Once you're there, you'll go to display, and in the bottom right-hand corner in this case, there's an option called volume bar. If the volume bar is on and you want to disable it, you would turn that to off. If it's the other way around, that you didn't have it and you want it, you would change it the other way. So we're going to turn it off. Click OK. And then go ahead and write to your radio, that button up there to the right. Write the other data. Awesome, there we go. So we'll wait for it to boot back up and check it out. There we go, awesome. So we have our radio. Now if we rotate the volume knob, as you can see, there is no volume bar.